Home Remedies presents Top 7 Amazing Uses of Vinegar for Your Laundry. Vinegar can absolutely be your secret weapon when it comes to redeeming difficult laundry. Distilled vinegar is usually less acidic than cider vinegar and ranges from 4 to 7% acidity. It may also be labeled as cleaning vinegar but can be used in laundry. Being acidic, it has properties that help remove lime and rust, can dissolve leftover soap, and has disinfectant qualities. When buying vinegar to use in the laundry, choose distilled white vinegar. It contains no tannins, natural plant dyes that can stain clothes, and it is less expensive. How to use vinegar for laundry. To clean your clothes with vinegar, put half to 1 cup distilled white vinegar instead of the detergent at the start of the washing cycle, or alternatively you can add it to the final rinse of your washing cycle when all the detergent will be gone. Do not use vinegar together with laundry detergent. The vinegar is acidic and detergents are alkaline, which means that all you will do is cancel them with each other. It is equally good for bright and dark colors. Here are the benefits you will be able to get for your laundry when used in this way. Number 1. Water and fabric softener. Hard water is a laundry enemy as it dulls clothes, leaves mineral deposits, and inhibits the cleaning power of your laundry products. Adding vinegar is the solution to this. Using vinegar regularly to wash your clothes will prevent soap residue and powder detergent buildup. Number 2. Deodorize your clothes. It won't add any peachy or breezy odors as some fabric softeners do, but it will leave your clothes odor-free. Number 3. Stain remover. Diluting half a cup of white vinegar with 1 gallon of water makes for a nice stain remover. You can keep clothes overnight or just pour the solution over the stain and then wash your clothes as you would normally. Number 4. Prevent color fading. Just washing them with distilled vinegar only is also a good way to prevent color fading. Running. Number 5. Get rid of static from laundry. Using white vinegar in the dryer is another great trick for eliminating static. Rinsing your laundry with white vinegar at the end of the wash cycle reduces static electricity. Number 6. Banish sweat smell. Remove sweat stain and deodorant marks from your white clothes by pre-soaking your whites in hot water with a cup of vinegar. Let it sit for 30 minutes and scrub the area before washing. Number 7. Clean your washing machine. Use vinegar to clean and descale your washing machine. Pour half cup of vinegar in your washing machine using hot water. Let it run for a few minutes and turn off your machine. Let the water sit for an hour and run the longest cycle. Let your machine dry out before using again. I hope you enjoyed today's fabulous uses of vinegar. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.